Victoria Vargas. I'm here with the Pie Capital of Texas branding team, and we are here to certify Hands-On Healing Spa and Boutique into the CertiPIEd program. Follow me in and we'll find out why they're certified.
Woohoo!
How are y'all doing today? Good. We are here to officially certify you. Thank you for patiently waiting for us to come out here and give you your official certificate.
Yes.
Congratulations.
That's awesome.
Along with that, then we have the Pie Capital of Texas dish, pie dish.
Put your pie in there.
Awesome.
Okay.
And then here is a bag of goodies that has some pens and some stickers.
How fun!
Leslie, can you tell us why you're certified, what you're doing to support the brand?
Yeah, so I've been in the Kyle area for the last 10 years, but I've had my business here for 8 years, and I love being a part of the Kyle community. And so when I saw that they were doing this, I thought it was like a great opportunity to serve the locals, but also tourists. And so we came up with a pie-themed spa menu. And so what we do here is we use really great products that are, paraben-free and natural, organic. And so we came up with a pie menu using pie ingredients. So we have a pumpkin pie peel, we have a blueberry pie facial, we have the coconut cream pie massage, and then the chocolate pie spa massage. And so we'll continue to create different types of pie spa treatments to kind of be a part of the Kyle community and really reach out to the locals and any tourists that want to come and have a spa treatment while they're visiting.
That sounds great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And in your bag, we have an official sticker. If you'd like to take it out
Okay.
and put it on your door.